reason most people are stuck in an endless cycle of enjoying the weekend and then hating the week ahead is because they're not using the weekend to build the life that they want, but they're using it to escape the life that they have. If that sounds like you, then I'm going to show you a very simple but effective morning routine that you can use to start building the life that you want every single day. So if you want to get your life back on track, then stay to the end of this video so I can show you the daily steps you need to take to get your life back on track in 2023. First step in the morning routine is to drink a lot of water. I know this is basic, but it's very necessary for your up and coming tasks. It's because you've been asleep for pretty much however long you slept for, around 8 hours probably, and over that time you haven't drinking any water at all. So you're really dehydrated and you need to refill your body with proper hydration. This is going to help set your mind up and ready to tackle the tasks ahead. Number 2 is not to reach for your phone as soon as you wake up. This is a really bad habit and it sets you up for failure because of the dopamine that your phone gives you when you open it up. It's giving you a lot of dopamine for little to no hard work. And this is the bad dopamine that you don't want. It's that instant gratification taking over. You want to aim for the dopamine that is delayed gratification. Once you do the task, then you get the dopamine after you do it because you get a sense of pride and achievement. But if you get the dopamine while you're doing the task, like scrolling on TikTok or watching Netflix, that's the bad dopamine. You don't want to do that. And that's exactly what happens when you go on your phone in the morning. This really starts the night before, so you shouldn't be sleeping with your phone in the bedroom, and you should be placing it somewhere else in the house so that you're not tempted to do it in the morning. And then instead of just reaching for your phone within arm's reach, you're going to have to get up, get dressed, do whatever, and then go get your phone. It's going to be a lot harder for you to get up and get on your phone then because it's further away. Number 3 is to have a shower. This is going to help clean yourself from all of the germs and stuff, sweat, whatever happened the night before. You're going to get the sense of a clean body and a fresh feeling to start the day off right. This is also going to help you feel confident because you're not stinky or smelly. You're actually fresh. You feel confident because you're actually clean. Number 4 is to make breakfast. Right now, I'm going to give you a perfect example of what you can make as a healthy breakfast in the morning. You can pretty much just cook your oats, add in a few chia seeds or nuts, whatever you want to add in, maybe a little bit of yogurt if you want, and then top it off with some fruit. This is going to give you the right nutrients like the carbohydrates, the proteins, and the fats that you need to start the day on the right foot to give you the energy that you need to tackle your tasks. Number 5 is to write a to-do list. This is one of the most important things that you could possibly do in your day because 1, it's going to set you on the right track to knowing what you actually need to do to have a productive day. If you don't know what you need to do and you're kind of just fiddling about watching Netflix here, scrolling on social media there, what are you actually going to do in your day to make it productive? What do you need to do in your day to achieve your goals? So what I want you to do is I want you to write down the top 5 things that you want to get done in your day. If you don't have 5, that's fine. Just write down however many you have. If you have more than 5, that's fine too. Write down the top tasks that you need to get done in the day, from most important to least important. And now I'm going to give you an example of how I structure my to-do lists and how I tick them off. As I do the tasks, I just use Notion because it's easy. It ticks them off when I click the box. I'll show you how to do it on the screen. And number 6 is to tackle your day with purpose. Don't just go about the tasks that you need to get done half-heartedly. Do them with some pride and some purpose and actually put 100% effort into doing them so that you can get the best results out of them. There's no point in doing them if you're not going to put any effort into them. Also, take action. Don't just go away and not do anything about your morning routine if you're stuck in that endless cycle. Actually make the change. Stick to this morning routine. I know it's really basic, like it's not that hard. It's really basic and just got a few tasks that you need to tick off. But if you tick those tasks off every day, you're not going to be wasting time on your phone in the morning. You're actually going to start to get stuff done and get all of those small little tedious tasks out of the way. Make the change that you always said that you would. Don't be that person that just talks about what they're going to do. Be the person that actually does this stuff and then has something to show for themselves. So if you truly want to make change in your life today, go down, hit the link in the description so I can send you over my completely free mini course on how to build healthy habits, how to build discipline. It also includes a free workout program for you. Everything that you're gonna need to transform your life in 2023. Go down, click the link in the description so I can send it over to you right now.